It's the Antioch Schoolhouse, which is another Grant Wood thing because that's all there is in this part of the state. Also, scattered showers. I stopped to put my other gloves on because my hands are cold because it's 60 degrees. So I've only got the one stop to get that last county in Iowa and then ride home. So it looks like I'm going to be in rain all day. It's going to be a very long day. Here it is, last county in Iowa. I have officially ridden a motorcycle to every single county in Iowa. It probably only matters to me, but I don't care, I did it. So now what I'm going to do is just program the GPS to home and put it on the compass heading, and I know I need to go north and west. I'm going to try and drive around the rain. So Iowa's done. Let's go home. So it's 53 degrees and raining on and off and cold as shit and windy, and I don't want to do this. I just want to be home. Today's gonna suck so bad, but it is just crank out the miles to get home. So I'm gonna go straight west and try and get out of this. I might be able to, but as I'm going north, all the storms develop, so I'm gonna get rained on harder closer to home, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get out of this at all today. Just I might be able to lessen the severity of the rain a little bit. So 52 degrees, and I got 298 miles to go. Hooray! Well, there was a wreck on I-35 northbound over there. So instead of waiting in line to get around the wreck, I just turned off on county roads because why not? I can get home this way too. Just gonna stop and have the rest of my cashews and something to drink and then keep going. It's still 53 degrees. At least it's not raining now. I kind of picked a bad spot to show it off, but there is a blue sky behind me. I rode 415 miles before the temperature started to rise. About 400 to 415, 420 miles in, I saw this little streak of blue off in the distance, and the temperature was going up. It had been like 50 to 55 the whole way, but I'm in Hutchinson now, and it's actually blue sky behind me anyway. And I'm just gonna put the roto packs in the gas tank, and it's 99.7 miles home. So it's also 65 degrees. That's 10 degrees warmer than what I started out today, and 15 degrees warmer than the coldest I've seen today. So I'm getting there, but nothing to see really. I might go by the biggest ball of twine in Minnesota on the way home. I don't think I have it routed that way, but I might go out of my way to see it. So gas and a quick snack and the rest of the way home. All right, officially home and in the garage. I stopped at the girlfriend's house on the way to where I live. I had something to eat and relax a little bit, and now I'm officially home. I can unpack everything, all that fun stuff. So for the day, 542.3. And I'm not sure how many miles that puts me at for the trip. I'll have to figure that out, but very short complaint list. I had a very good trip. If you guys want to see it, I have 150 pictures I took of the Anamosa, Iowa Motorcycle Museum. I can make a slideshow of that. You know, back in the day, everybody hated those on YouTube, but I didn't record video in there. But I do have 150 pictures I can put in a slideshow. Then you can pause on each one and look at them if you want. If you want, leave that down in the comments. Otherwise, that's a lot of work I'm not going to do unless people want to see it. Otherwise, you have until September 4th, 2023 is the last day that motorcycle museum is open. They're not getting rid of anything until then, but there are Mecum auction tags on stuff. There probably are some privately owned things that are going to be taken out of there, so see it while you can. Yeah, so that's that's a trip. If you guys want to know more, I guess ask. And yes, the puppy made it all the way from Eldon, Iowa, through all my routes all the way back to Minnesota. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.